Hello friends, this is Servo VFX and today we are going to discuss about what are colors, color bit depth and color model. So this video is basically a basic foundation for all the graphic designers who want to know about what are colors, how color bit depth work and what are color models. So back in 19th century, earlier when there were you only used to be a gray scale, but since the beginning of 20th century, color screens were developed. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about water colors. So if you are familiar with such kind of software, you may have studied in your school days that color is a kind of sensation that certain wavelength of light cause in our brain. So according to some scientific theory, human eye can perceive up to 10 million colors. Mention in your comment which eyes do you like the most. Maybe this one. Okay, so let's say that human eye can perceive up to 10 million colors, and suppose in any kind of editing software, if we want to create a dictionary of colors, and we want to give a unique name to every color. Okay, now let's do some math. Suppose if we want to create a dictionary of these colors, and suppose that if we are given only two characters, let's say A and B, and we want to create names, so how many names that we can create with only these two characters? It's simple that we can give two names. One is AB and the other one is BA, right? And suppose if we take three characters, let's say ABC, with three characters we can name up to 8 names, right? And with let's say with the 4 characters, let's say A B C D, with the 4 characters we can create up to 16 names, right? So if you notice that it's basically a combination. It is according to the mathematical formula of permutation and combination, in which stands by the formula of combination of to the power n. And suppose now, so the obvious question that arises in our mind is now that how we are going to name and 10 million colors, and how many characters do we need to create a 10 million to create a dictionary of 10 million colors. If we do a calculator, the value comes out to be somewhere around 23 to 24. So it means each word will have to be a 24 character long, and dictionary dude will get one unique name per color. Suppose we open Photoshop and we create a solid of having a value of, let's say, 200, 200 and 200. This is just an example. You can take any other value. I'm just taking this value just for an explanation. If we create a solid of this value, computer will understand and convert this value into a binary system. It will convert the 200 value into binary system, and each number will be converted into binary digit having ones and zeros of 8. You can see here it is, and these digits are fed into a particular channel, and with these unique names, each color with a combination of these colors, a particular color of 8-bit RGB model is created.
Yekkaparampeela Perambadooru Chinna Swami Muthu Swami Venugopala Iyer. Trichipalli Yekkaparampeela Perambadooru Chinna Swami Muthu Swami Venugopala Iyer.
And in this way, RGB color model having a 8-bit color depth work. In the next video we are going to discuss now what is actually color model and what are the channels and how it works. Okay, bye bye.